What's up, y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this bomb unit from HerGivenHair. This is the Crowned in My Curls wig. Now, I've already previously review this wig, but I'm just coming back for an update, and I'm just going to talk to you all as well about how I take care of my units and how I keep my natural hair growing and healthy underneath. That's one reason why I do protective styles, is because it helps me keep my hands out of my head while I'm trying to get to my natural hair goal length. Now, as you all know, I did go through a transition. I've been natural for I've been natural for almost 6 years. So this year will make 6 years that I've been natural. And as you all know, I did go get my hair straightened last year. Now, this wasn't the first time I got my hair straightened, but I don't know what sis did, but she ruined my curls completely. So I'm in a transitional period to where I got to get my hair back to where I want it to be. So your girl is rocking units, aka wigs. I'm rocking units and crochet all 2019. So this is one of the units that I'm going to be rocking. As you can see, honey, if I didn't even tell you, you wouldn't even thought that this was a wig. Like, I've had so many different people out in public, and I probably did slip up and tell a couple people that this is my natural hair. Not on purpose though, because your girl is not ashamed to let anybody know that I'm wearing a wig, okay? This is so natural. This texture is the Coily texture. It is in 14 inches. Now, this hair did not come like this. This is a twist out that I did on the hair. So I'm going to insert some clips in, and I'm also going to insert the products that I use to achieve this twist out. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm actually kind of jealous because this twist out looks better on this wig than it does when I do it on my natural hair. Like, seriously, I might need to use the same combination that I did for this wig on my natural hair when it gets back to the way that it's supposed to be, because honestly, I don't even know what it's gonna take for me to get my curls the way that I want it to be. So one way that I keep my units intact is, of course, maintenance. You want to make sure that you are washing and conditioning the hair. Of course, like any other bundles that you would have, like your natural hair in general, with any type of extensions that you would get, you want to make sure that you're properly maintaining them. So another way that I keep up with my units is I don't sleep in them. So I take all of my units off at night. Now, I did state that this is a lace front wig. I know a lot of people be gluing their wigs down, but like I just told y'all, I like to protect my hair underneath. So I'm not snatching out my edges, trying to glue my wig down and keep a wig on my actual edges. That's just not what I'm doing. And I like to switch my hair up as well. So do not glue my wigs down. This wig is not glued. I'm gonna insert some clips showing you how I can lift it up and put it back down. The wig construction of this wig, it has 3 combs and an elastic band, so really it can be worn as a glueless wig, like I'm rocking it right now. Another reason why I like to take my hair off at night, because like I just stated, I like to take care of my hair underneath. I do massage my hair with oil, with growth oil at night, to stimulate my scalp and to help with the growth of my natural hair and to keep it healthy. It's really the ultimate reason for protective styling, is to protect your natural hair as it grows and to keep it healthy. I know a lot of people will say that HerGivenHair is expensive, but one thing that I can say, I don't know if y'all know it or not, but I do make wigs. I don't charge anything less than $80, and that's because I'm not a professional. I didn't go to hair school. I'm not a professional, so that's how much I charge. And I know some people on Instagram, I've seen prices, they charge like $100, $150, like just to make the wig. That's not including the hair. So if you was to buy hair, like a coily textured hair like this, and give it to somebody to make your wig, you're gonna be spending about $300, and that's pretty much how much this wig costs. So it's kind of like they're doing the work for you. You don't have to go get the hair sewed in. You don't have to go get nobody to make the wig. They're making it on a machine for you, and it's absolutely one of the best wigs that I have in my collection. This one and another one that I have from HerGivenHair, because there's just so many different ways that you can rock this unit. You can pin this up. Like I told you, this isn't even the natural state of the hair. This is a twist out. So you can put this in a twist out. You can pin this up. I can pull this up and pin it certain type of ways. I can wear it in its natural state, which is in like a wash and go type of form. I can wear it in a wash and go type of form. So that's already 3 different styles that I can rock. I do think that you can put heat on this hair, so you can kind of straighten it a little bit if you want to rock it straight and then curl it back up. Like, there's just so many different things that you can do with your units, and that's one thing that I love so much about having a collection of different looks. Like my ladies that, you know, are on the go, they have so much to do. You could prep this wig at night, let it dry, wake up in the morning, shake and go, and you're good. You're pretty much good to go. Like, this is my 2nd day wearing this in the twist out form. I'm going to insert some clips from when I did it on day 1. Day 2, I took it off, put it on a mannequin head, and this is what it looks like on day 2. Just as good as it did when I first did the hair. So I just absolutely love it. Just one thing that I can say about doing the actual twist out, you want to make sure that the hair is actually dry before you unloose the twist. So that was what gave it so much definition, was because the hair had enough time to set in the products that I use, as well as with it being completely dry before I undid the actual twist. So it gave it so much definition, so much. The shine and the luster of this hair is just absolutely amazing. I just love it, y'all. I don't even know what else to say. I absolutely love this unit. I am going to put all of the information down below. Thank you so much, HerGivenHair, for the excellent customer service. If you all have not came in contact with Joyce, she's absolutely amazing, so sweet. So I'm definitely going to put all the information down in the description box for you, so that if you want to purchase this wig, you definitely can. I thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.